In an era where economic uncertainties are the norm, finding alternative income streams is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. We're grappling with inflation, political turbulence, and the ever-looming shadow of environmental crises. As we grow older, our financial needs increase, while our ability to earn diminishes. Medical expenses start to pile up, and our traditional jobs may not be enough to cover them. But there's a silver lining. The digital age has opened up a world of possibilities, offering us the chance to earn money online. This alternative income stream can keep us afloat in these challenging times. The internet holds an ocean of opportunities. One of these is earning through online selling of unique, in-demand products like ImuRegen Liquid. ImuRegen Liquid, a product distributed by Forever Healthy Products LLC, is a game changer in the health industry. This isn't just your ordinary health supplement. What sets ImuRegen Liquid apart is its extraordinary ability to maintain good health right at the DNA level. Yes, you heard it right, at the DNA level, the very code of life. Now you might be wondering, is this product for me? The answer is a resounding yes. ImuRegen Liquid is designed for everyone, regardless of age, gender, or race. It's a universal solution aiming to address health maintenance needs across the board. In a world where health is wealth, having a product that not only promotes good health but also has the potential for financial gain is a double win. And that's what ImuRegen Liquid offers. With a product as unique and vital as ImuRegen Liquid, the potential to earn is immense. The internet never sleeps, and with ImuRegen Liquid, your earning potential doesn't have to either. Welcome to the digital age, where your earning potential isn't limited by traditional constraints. With a product like ImuRegen Liquid, the opportunity to create a substantial income stream is at your fingertips. This isn't just any product. ImuRegen Liquid is a unique health supplement that works at the DNA level. It caters to everyone, regardless of age, gender, or race, and is a necessity in today's fast-paced world where maintaining good health is paramount. Now imagine the potential of coupling this universal need with the vast reach of the internet. You're no longer bound by geographical limitations or working hours. The internet allows you to reach customers globally 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. But it's not just about selling a product. It's about providing a solution that improves people's lives. And when you're able to do that, the earnings follow. With every bottle of ImuRegen Liquid you sell, you're not only contributing to someone's health, but you're also building your financial security. The more you sell, the more you earn. It's that straightforward. With ImuRegen Liquid, not only can you contribute to the health of others, but you also open doors to financial freedom. It's time to harness the power of the internet and start your journey towards a financially secure future. Stay tuned because the journey with ImuRegen Liquid is just beginning. As we delve further into the amazing benefits of ImuRegen Liquid distributed by Forever Healthy Products LLC, we want to make sure you're on board. This isn't just a health supplement. It's a lifestyle change, a commitment to a healthier future. Our upcoming videos will explore the numerous health benefits of ImuRegen Liquid in depth. We'll talk to experts, share testimonials, and provide you with all the information you need to make an informed decision. Don't miss out on our upcoming content. We'll be taking a deep dive into the science behind ImuRegen Liquid, its incredible benefits, and how it can revolutionize your health. Remember, with ImuRegen Liquid, you're not just selling a product. You're promoting a healthier lifestyle, and there's nothing more rewarding than that. So buckle up and get ready for an exciting journey towards a healthier and wealthier future with ImuRegen Liquid. Stay tuned.
Are you often feeling sick? Does it seem like you catch every cold that comes around? You're not alone. Every day, millions of people suffer from poor health, easily falling ill due to weak immunity and hereditary disease, with your DNA being damaged. The cause: an imbalanced body lacking essential nutrients. Introducing ImuRegen Liquid. ImuRegen is a revolutionary new way to help repair damaged DNA. It works by repairing the chemical bonds that keep our DNA together and helping to restore cellular health. A complex of dietary nucleotides that helps restore the balance of essential nutrients in your body, supporting immunity and overall health. ImuRegen Liquid is a natural health booster with no side effects. It is made with natural ingredients, oligonucleotides, proteins, 20 amino acids, and minerals that help you stay healthy and strong. Say goodbye to poor health and weak immunity with ImuRegen Liquid. Start feeling healthier and stronger at the DNA level today.